Maplewood Toyota welcomes your interest in one of our great vehicles that comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, power sliding rear window with privacy glass, rear view camera, HomeLink, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, auto high beam headlamp control, keyless entry, speed sensing steering, electronic stability control, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. From sales and finance to service and parts, Maplewood Toyota's team members stand ready to serve. Visit us today. We look forward to meeting you.